Here he comes. Watch out.
605 goes off. Turn around, keep your car.
Oh. Watch out, watch out, watch out! Get out of the car! 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 Watch out, watch crossfire!
Stop the car!
605 to those officers.
Stop the car!
Turn around and get your car. Go back. 605 shots fired now. An officer ran over. 10-3, 10-3. Ran over by the car. Shots have been fired.
I copy 10-3. Officer ran over. Shots fired.
Advise Worthington. Advise Channel 4. We're going to need some intersection shut down.
I copy.
S18, I need a medic, please.
Okay, are you guys on the BP lot?
Yeah.
Rear lot. Shut down.
Block this whole thing off.
Where's the suspect?
He's that way. Block this whole thing off.
Do we have the suspect?
He fled.
In what?
In the blue Toyota Corolla,
Does
man.
anybody have eyes on the vehicle?
Got away?
Yeah.
One of the sergeants here is saying he fled eastbound in the blue Corolla.
We gotta block this whole thing.
Get down on the ground, lay down, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.